Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Big Energy Profits. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Man, has it been some week for the markets. Just a little bit of craziness in a half a dozen different directions. I mean, yesterday we had mixed Fed comments that were leading and then misleading at the same time, with very little certainty to where the Fed stands and what their next moves are. Basically a 50% flash crash in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin pretty much cut in half before it recovered to about a 30% drop, which is insane. India's COVID issues, their wave that they're experiencing is spreading to Asia, so that of course is in the eyes of the global economy, and that is being watched carefully. So this is just another thing adding to the mix. The Iranian Russian pipeline oil deal, which all the details of that hasn't come out publicly yet, so that's another huge question mark in the market. And then we just wrapped up last week that debacle over the whole Colonial Pipeline, where they had paid basically ransom for the cyber attacks. I mean, it has literally been just one thing stirring the pot after another since last week through this week, and you can clearly see that in the volatility in the market. I mean, we're up, we're down, we're sideways, we're way in the red, we're back to break even, we're all over the place. I mean, this is really when you have to have a stomach to trade. You have to be able to stick to your trade plan, stay disciplined, be willing to just turn the computer screen off, leave your stops in place, and just let this settle down a little bit. And that's all you can really do at this point. For those of you intraday day trading, you've had some really great really great swings to work well for your trades. Some of the larger positions have been just all over the place, swinging into the profit, into the negative. It just is what it is at this point until things settle down. There was just a lot of stuff spitting in the pot all at once. So hopefully we'll see things wind down a little bit this week. There looks like there's a little more stability back in the markets today. The major indices are all in the green. I mean, they're not screaming high, but they're not negative. So that is a positive step in the right direction. Hopefully some of these other issues that I just touched on are in the process of calming down a little bit so we can resume some normal course of trade and expected moves that we are looking at into next week. So I just wanted to take a quick moment and recap on all that. I know it was a whole mouthful, but just a lot happened in a short period of time, and this is really when, those of you who are trading need to have a stomach for this. You just need to be willing to let this pass, let the storm pass, and there's just been a storm this week. So with that, I just want to tell you that to give you the confidence to know that, listen, as long as you have a tried and true trade plan, if you have a way to execute that trade plan, if you can stay disciplined, stay consistent, this is just part of the game, and you have to be prepared to play it. So with that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. Stay calm. Let these things work their way out, and of course we will continue to monitor them and make adjustments as needed here at Big Energy Profits. If you'd like to learn more about what we do here, there's a link below this video. Just click on it. It'll take you to the training webinar. You'll learn more about myself, more about the service, more about what my team has to offer. And if you'd like to join us, we'd love to welcome you to the family. Have a great day, guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care.